In this lesson, we're going to add tabs and accordion page block. So let's scroll down here and see what we want. And by the way, if you don't see this and you click on this, you need to be able to log in first. You have to upgrade to the pro version. So they've done another awesome job. I'm going to drag this one over here, and I can be able to pick and choose what I want to see on each item. So I'm going to put the mouse over here to edit, and you see Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So if I want to edit the one for Monday, I click to edit, change the name for it, and I can put, come here and put all the stuff that I want. And I'm going to click on Wednesday, and I can pretty much customize and change everything that's on here with the buttons. You can add a video, you can add a link. So now let's go over to Friday. You can do the same thing, or you can even add additional items here on this column. So I'm just going to just add something. Let me just say grab a video. So I'm just going to put this video link right here. And just like that, you have to, of course, customize a little bit more, but just like that, I've added an additional video in this here. And I can also change the background for this. If I want a gradient, which I love gradients, I can change that too. I can also come here and say, let me change the background for this one. And I want to go with the gradient. I want to go with the linear. Let me come here and I want to change the sizing for it. I can come here and change each individual section of this and kind of create that look that you're going for. And you can pretty much do the same thing too. I'm just going to delete that there. You can do the same thing too with any one of these tabs or accordions. So let's drag this one over. And this has accordions that you can be able to click on and add each item underneath the accordion. So to add it, you can click on it, just start to delete like that, and you're deleting it. Or you can click to add an additional item, or you can also just click here to copy it. So click on copy, have another one. If I want to copy this top here, click copy again, and I have another one. I can do the same thing for all of them. So you go back here, you pretty much just pick and choose which layout that you like and what you want to customize about it.